Hello everyone and welcome to Gio and JC. In today's video, we're taking you with us to the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, where we check into our Disney Vacation Club Resort Studio Room, and we have a beautiful balcony overlooking the Magic Kingdom. From there, we take you with us to dinner at the newly refurbished 1900 Park Fair, where we had some great interaction with Disney characters. As always, remember, happiness is a lifestyle. Welcome home, Walt Disney World guest. Although we're still confused, we have been DVC members for a couple years now, and multiple stays using our DVC points. This is our home resort, the Grand Floridian, and we've yet to have our name appear on the TV. And we see people having their names on the TV all the time. What's up, DVC? How come we're just considered guest? Things that make you go, Not the end of the world, though, is it, Amor? No.
Especially with that view.
There's so many worse things. But we are here at the Grand Floridian. We're staying in a deluxe studio resort, and we're in the third floor on Big Pine Key. And this time we splurged a little extra on our points, and we've got a theme park view for the next 3 nights. And our balcony overlooks Bay Lake. We can see the Contemporary, you can see the boats, you can see the Polynesian, and then when you look off to the left, there she is, Cinderella's castle. Wow. We're gonna be able to see the fireworks from here. How cool is that? I'm excited.
We're celebrating Donald's 90th birthday.
Since it is his favorite character, he had to get all the
90th
swag. So we've given you a room tour before, but I'll give you a quick peek, shall we? So we just checked in, but as you come in the main door, you've got this big, nice round mirror here, and the bathroom with a sliding door off to the side here. I've always loved the light up mirror, the Mary Poppins kind of theme around it. And it's lovely here. You get the 2 sinks, you got the Disney soaps, plenty of towels and storage below. If you need a makeup mirror, you've got that. And then turning around, this is the commode and the shower. And this is a shower tub combo. But you do have so you got the rain head and a wand that's removable. And of course, the Disney soaps. And pushing through the door into the main salon. This has an adjoining door, we're not using that, but since this is DVC, we do have a little microwave, a little Cuisinart, some coffee cups. In the drawer, there's some silverware stuff. And then you do get the beverage cooler. And again, this is not a refrigerator, this is a beverage cooler, so it's not cold enough for dairy products, insulin, etc. So if you need that, you have to request it. And in all of the resort studio rooms, you get 2 queen-size beds. And the nice thing about these beds is they're pedestal beds, so there's plenty of storage below, which is great. And then you've got a large closet on the side over here, plenty of hanging space with all of your... The nice thing is these closets light up when you open the doors. And when you stay here, the Grand Floridian, you get robes. Gotta love a robe. And you get the in-room safe, hair dryer, and I'm not sure, let's see what this is. Oh, that's the hair dryer. Oh, this is a steamer. So you get a steamer, fancy. If there's one thing that I wish was not the case, would be these little tiny wall shelves. I wish they had kind of put actual night tables on either side. In this case, you only get one, which is in between the 2 beds, which is fine. And again, there's outlets over there. These little tables underneath, you do have an outlet with USB and USB-C, which is great. But it would be nice if there was an actual nightstand rather than the little wall thing. But I get it, space. And then you get your dresser with 4 drawers, the couch, while Carlos is over there working away. And this couch does pull out into a sleeper. shouldn't say pull out, it folds down into a sleeper. But the best thing about this room is what's out here. Right, Juan Carlos?
Our view is magnificent.
It's the best part of this room. So let's go outside, shall we? As you look across Bay Lake, you've got the Contemporary Resort. Beautiful little island. And the Polynesian in the distance. But the best thing about this room, that view into the Magic Kingdom, where you can see Cinderella's castle, the monorail, Space Mountain, Tron. Pretty cool. And this balcony is quite large. I've got 2 chairs out here with a little table. But check it out. And also tonight we'll be able to see the electric water pageant as it goes by. That's going to be cool. So there you go. That's our quick little room tour.
Mm-hmm.
You think
love it.
You think we can handle 3 nights here?
Oh, yes.
Be nice if we had more time, actually. But yeah, we're just going to relax in the room for about an hour, and then we're having an early dinner. And we're going to 1900 Park Fair tonight. We've never been there. It's a character dining experience with a buffet. Early dinner, and then we'll see what kind of shenanigans we get into after that. Excited?
Very excited.
Very excited. Anyway, talk to you guys soon. And dinner is served here from 4 to 9. Or you can do a character breakfast from 8 to 12. Yeah. And if you want more info, scan that QR code.
All along our wall is our famous wish makers making their deepest wishes, like Snow White wishing her wishes.
Oh, we're in this little nook. I love it.
It's one of my favorite spots.
So what is that?
It's a wish maker's card. So you have to write down your deepest wish.
Oh. You gonna write your wish?
I wish they had gone.
All right, so we are here at 1900 Park Fair. We're in this really cool little duo table. It's sort of in between the 2 dining rooms in like this little nook, which I kind of like it. I feel like we're sort of tucked in this little cute nook. Our waitress gave us a little card that we're supposed to fill out what our wish is so that we can discuss it with the characters as they walk around. So that's interesting. And yeah, the room is quite lovely. All of the different fairy tales are represented up on the wall. Different artwork.
Hey, you two, how are we doing today?
We're great. How are you? I'm going to give you guys a little overview of the buffet. We got turkey meatballs, we got pasta and some corn. Oh, and who doesn't love gummy candy? Carving station, we got prime rib and ham. Juan Carlos going over to the pizza. Chicken tenders and pizza. We got chicken noodle soup, Tiana's gumbo, some rice, curry roasted chicken, and that's impossible sausage, so vegan dish. We got some roasted garlic sausage. Everybody loves mac and cheese. Got mashed potatoes and your sauces, green beans and salmon, carrots. Check it out, you get some peel and eat shrimp, some mixed greens, got some arugula and some romaine over there, couscous and some kale and some fruit. Let's check out some of these desserts. Wow. The Grand Floridian Fancier Fudge Brownie, Lemon Blueberry Cheesecake, and then chocolate cake with some vanilla cream sauce. Strawberries and cream, love it. Strawberry soup. Vanilla cupcakes, cookies, a little coconut cake. All right, here's plate number 1 for me. Also got some peel and eat shrimp. And Juan Carlos got some strawberry soup. Good?
Hola, mi amigos.
Hola, Maribel.
Hola.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
You guys thought about your wishes yet?
We did.
We did.
No, yes, maybe. What are you wishing for today?
So mine is, I'm gonna read it in Spanish.
Okay.
Más momentos mágicos como estos para compartir con los seres que amo.
That is a great wish, my friend. What are you wishing for?
I'm wishing that everybody from around the world could have as much happiness as we do.
Oh, that is amazing. I love when people wish for things like happiness or healthiness because, like, it benefits everybody.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, well, the thing is, you can fly really anywhere on a magic carpet. You know, with Princess Jasmine, when I took her on our first date, we went to Egypt, Greece, and China in one night. So you can pretty much go anywhere your heart desires. As far as tips go, I can give you 3 main tips that the genie taught me, all right? Tip number 1, when you're flying on a magic carpet, you gotta keep your arms and legs inside the carpet at all times, okay? Tip number 2, please don't stand until the carpet comes to a complete stop. And then tip number 3, in case of an emergency exit on a magic carpet, they're here. Everywhere is an emergency exit.
What if I need to go to the bathroom?
Well, the thing is, it's a good thing magic carpet rides are about a couple minutes max, so you'll be landed in no time, so that way you can use the restroom. Easy. So once you got those tips, you'll be flying like a master in no time, my friend.
Awesome, thank you very much. That's my wish that I want you to pass to the fairy godmother. I want my own carrot.
She always says everyone traveling by pumpkin is the fastest way to get anywhere you need, especially before midnight.
Do I need mice?
Oh,
How are Gus and Jacques? Are they good?
yes, they've been awfully busy running all around the kingdom looking for their favorite snacks. So if you find any, you'll have to let him know.
I will. Well, we appreciate you making magic. Thank you.
So I decided to try the Grand Floridian Fancier cake, which is a caramel cake, and the vanilla cupcake. For 1900 Park Fair, we would give our character interactions a solid 10 out of 10, the food a 5 out of 10 because it was just pretty basic, and the atmosphere a 7 out of 10, mainly because of the echo and it being very loud. Overall, we enjoyed it though. And remember, happiness is a lifestyle.